In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write subscripts on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open whatever browser is working for you or whatever browser you are using on your PC. Of course, once you did that, you will need to go to the URL section and type Google Docs and hit the enter button. That will take you here. From here, just go and open the first link, which will take you into this page. And of course, if you have an account, you will need to go and click at the sign in option at the top right corner. But if you don't have an account, you will need to go here and click at sign up for free, which will create an account for you. So once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself here with this home page or this main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to write some subscripts on our Google Docs website. So first of all, you can just go here and open a new blank document, or you can just choose one of their templates if you want. They have a lot of ones and some decent ones, and you can even just go and open some of your recent documents if you want. So once you are here at this page and you would like to write subscripts, as you said, so let's say you would like to write a mathematical equation. So let's just write x1 plus x2 equals 10 as an example, and we would like to type this 1 and 2 as subscripts. So just highlight it, go to format, text, and make sure to click on this subscript. Do the same for 2, highlight it, format, text, and subscript. And as you can see, now those numbers are subscripted. Of course, this will not work just with numbers. This will work as well with text if you want. So of course, we can make this whole, like, let's just write here A as an example, and we can make this whole as a subscript. So format, text, subscript, and as you can see, it's subscripted. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.